Alright, so 2010 National Treasures, box number 745.
I've never opened this before, so if there's something weird I don't know about yet. Just
Let's see, cut the sides. Alright. Our top card is a Brett Favre.
just close. No book card. Still no book.
So Brett Favre, base card. A Matt Hasselbeck, base card.
How many cards are on the back before?
I'll say 2. Tom Brady, Ring of Honor, base card.
2 on the back.
I think so. And a Emmitt Smith. Our first hit is a Bruce Smith jersey. A Demarius Thomas patch ball. A cut auto.
Glenn Davis.
Glenn Davis.
That's wild. Nice patch.
Patch of Matt Forte. A City Ajiro Tutu auto. A Jason Pierre-Paul auto.
6 of 7.
A Morgan Burnett auto. And a Ronnie Lott jersey.
Wow, that's cool. The first time I see a cut.
Alright.